In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter discount code in Hertz. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the discount field, which code type to use, and how to confirm the savings before you pay. First, open your browser and go to Hertz.com. From the homepage, start a new reservation. You'll begin by entering your trip details. Choose your pickup location, and if you're returning the car to a different place, add your drop-off location as well. Set your pickup and return dates and times carefully, since many discounts apply only to specific rental lengths or days of the week. When your details look right, continue by selecting Search or Continue to load available vehicles and rates. Before you get too far, look for the option to add a discount. It's usually near the search box or within the booking form. You might see a small link or button labeled Add a Discount Code or Have a Coupon. Click that to open the discount fields. A pop-up or panel will appear with several boxes. Here's what each one means. Promotional coupon, often labeled PC, is for promo codes that offer things like a free day or a fixed amount off. Discount code is a general space some offers use. Rate code, shown as RQ, can appear for certain rate-based promotions. And CDP is for a membership or company discount number, such as an organization or corporate rate. Paste your code into the correct box that matches the type of code you have. If your offer mentions a PC, use the promotional coupon field. If it references a CDP, place it in the CDP box. Watch out for extra spaces when pasting and keep the exact format provided. Then click Apply. The page will refresh or update the pricing to reflect the offer. From here, continue booking as normal, review the list of vehicles, choose the car that fits your needs, and proceed to checkout. Take a moment to confirm the discount is actually included. You should see the price reduced or labeled with the applied promotion before you enter payment details. If you don't see any change, the code may be expired, restricted to certain locations or car types, not valid for your dates, or already included in the rate you're viewing. In those cases, check the offer's terms to make sure you're using the right field and that your itinerary meets the requirements. That's it. Enter your details, add the correct code, apply it, and confirm the savings before you pay. Thanks for watching and happy renting.